Hey, meteorologist Pete Mangione. A few updates to the forecast. Right now, the thunderstorm and shower chance looks fairly limited. If you get one, it's likely in northwest Rhode Island, north and west of 295, late this afternoon and this evening. And even in northern Rhode Island, the risk is only about 20%. So I'd say most outdoor plans are a go. That being said, the Pinpoint weather app, not a bad thing to have with you in case some of these storms do slip through. This evening, we start to quiet things down, and then watch what happens Sunday. A few more showers and storms possible, especially say Fall River points east as that cold front kind of stalls over the area. That being said, Sunday is a nice day too. Temperatures mid-80s today, breezes out of the southwest at around 5 to 15 with some gusts around 20 or 25 along the south coast. And our south coast beaches likely into the upper 70s to low 80s today with a bit of a breeze. But notice inland we're pretty warm, mid to upper 80s. And check out our dew point forecast. I'm going to remove my face for just a second so you can see our comfort scale. Today is humid. Tomorrow starts humid and then humidity drops throughout the day on Sunday. By Sunday night into Monday, very comfortable, and then humidity returns on Tuesday. That's out ahead of some showers and thunderstorms as things turn a bit unsettled for the middle and the end of next week. Thanks for watching. We'll be posting more updates here on WPRI.com.